Although the Hyundai Elantra is generally reliable, it is not perfect and can develop problems that may vary between the model year. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about the 2017 Hyundai Elantra common problems and complaints. These common Hyundai Elantra problems should help you find out what is wrong with your Hyundai Elantra or just what you need to pay attention to in the future. First of all, let's see the Elantra ignition coil problems. Poor coil packs is one of the possible ignition problems of the Hyundai Elantra. A broken ignition coil for 2017 Hyundai Elantra can make your car almost impossible to drive or even can't start. And we all know that when it gets worse, it loses the ability to ignite the spark plug and will affect the engine's operating capability. Except the coil problem, we want to talk about some common problems which may happen to your Hyundai Elantra. Number 1. Engine powertrain problems. The company has recalled more than 1.2 million 2011 to 14 models due to engine problems, including the problems like poor cooling, tickling sound, and the setback. However, the recall seems not resolve the problems like hesitation, misfire, and catastrophic engine failure. Meanwhile, other engine problems like belt troubles, engine failure, and check engine light on issues are reported in this recall. After studies on its 2011 and 2014 cars, Hyundai eventually find out the root cause is the metal debris inside the engine. Debris left over in the manufacturing process clogged the internal lubrication hose and caused the comprehensive even value. Number 2. Steering issues. In 2017, Hyundai recalled about 100 of 2017 Elantra vehicles due to an issue with electronic power steering connector. If your car is involved in this recall, your Hyundai dealership will replace the electronic power steering connector. The loss of power steering makes the vehicle hard to steer and control. It has the greatest impact at low speeds. If it's not working right, it can quickly create a dangerous situation. Number 3. Electrical system. Over 500 Hyundai Elantra owners report electrical system problems. More and more car systems are designed with electrical supply, so the list of the electrical problems is extensive. Common problems normally include car alarm malfunction and problematic ignition systems. Wiring improper connecting problems are often the leading cause of electrical system issues. You should always have your vehicle checked for any wiring worn out to see if the faulty wires need replacement. Number 4. Problems with the brakes. The ability to brake quickly and properly is the most important aspect of any vehicle, but many Elantra owners seem not satisfied with it. The owners report various problems including failure of the master cylinder, poor quality brake pads, constant brake lights, and brake failure. A bad brake boosters would reduce the Elantra's braking power. It increased the distance required for the car to come to a stop, which can lead to an accident if the driver fails to apply the brakes on time. Number 5. Airbag problems. The 2017 Hyundai Elantra has airbag issues, in addition to sketchy brakes. These two problems are a dangerous combination. Many Elantra drivers claim the airbag light came on, but the airbags failed to deploy in a crash. Other common airbag problems including inflator issues and sensor breakdowns. Airbag issues were the reason for 2 Hyundai Elantra recalls. Overall speaking, depending on driving conditions and climate in your area, your car's maintenance schedule may vary. However, with scheduled maintenance, you can support your engine's performance and keep your 2017 Hyundai Elantra running newer and longer. We also recommend maintenance should include service like fluid exchange, filter, and new brake pads exchange, oil changes, and tire rotations. This really help the noob drivers like me. Scheduling routine service appointments are one of the best ways to help extend your car's life, increase your vehicle safety, and help you avoid expensive repairs caused by 2017 Hyundai Elantra problems later on. Alright, back to our discussion at the beginning about the 2017 Hyundai Elantra ignition coil. Once again, we want to point out the common symptoms of a failing ignition coil. As we mentioned previously, these common signs are reminding us of time for coil replacement. Regular car maintenance checking definitely is the best way to better car performance and longer car life. While the Hyundai Elantra is an excellent choice for many car owners, it's important to check it thoroughly before purchasing a used vehicle. How about you? How often do you check the ignition coils? Leave comments below to share with us your experience. And how do you fix the ignition coil problem? Will you replace it by yourself, or you will visit the auto shop for the help? Tap 1 for the replace it by yourself, and tap 2 if you visit the auto shop for the help. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. In the next video, we will talk about the complicated transmission system and the maintenance tips. So remember to stay tuned, and I will see you very soon next time. Adios!